Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and remove two 8mm screws and two 4.5mm screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Gently insert the opener pick between the bezel and the back cover and slide along the edges to pop the bezel free. There may be some adhesive underneath, so take your time and try to avoid using too much force. Using a tweezers, grab hold of the ends of the adhesive tape that's underneath the LCD panel and gently roll it. Carefully pull until all the adhesive is removed from underneath the LCD panel. Repeat the process for the other side. Gently lay the LCD panel down. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the LCD cable from the LCD panel. Plug the LCD cable into the new panel and replace the tape. Lay 2 strips of double-sided adhesive tape along the back cover as shown. Lay the LCD panel back into place and gently push down to secure it to the adhesive tape. Replace the bezel and push down to snap it back into place. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the 2 8mm screws and 2 4.5mm screws into the bottom cover.